Hello my friends and new friends, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I am so thrilled to share with you today my how-to for prepping my hair for a wig. So if you'd like to see how I get my hair right here into a wig like that, then stick around with me and keep watching. Yes! I am so excited for this video today. It's officially October, and that means it is officially like dress up time. Gonna be so many costume parties going on, even more. I love wearing wigs. It's so exciting. If I could spend my days creating and making costumes and do like cosplay, I would want to do that as well with my life. So there's just so many things about dressing up that I absolutely love. It's just so much fun. And I think for me too, with having my curly hair, it's nice also to have those like wigs with the straight hair and just kind of have a little change at the moment. And you know, of course not have to like damage my curly hair because I've been trying really hard to take care of it and not straighten my hair for years. This tutorial is for all hair types. So whether you have wavy hair, curly hair like myself, or kinky coily hair, or even straight hair, maybe this way that I prep my hair might be helpful for you, and you can try it the next time that you will be wearing a wig. So I hope that you guys really enjoy this, and let's do this. Picking up my spray bottle with water only and put my hair halfway up and halfway down. I'm gonna go ahead and take that water and completely dampen my hair. And then once I finger detangle without completely ripping all my hair out of my scalp, I'm gonna use my Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. This is just really nice to continue moisturizing your hair and keep everything really nice, slick and back, and it helps me to French braid my hair easily. So once I have all of that product through my hair, hair's completely dampened, I use a white tooth comb to get a few more tangles out, then a rat tail comb. So I'm going to use that to part my hair. Again, this doesn't have to be like 150% perfect because you're putting a wig over your hair, so no one's going to see it anyways. But once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use some Anti-Frizz Max Hold Gel from Shea Moisture, their coconut hibiscus line. So I'm going to run that through the front, all the way through my hair. Again, this just really keeps my hair locked tight in my French braid. So I'm going to pull up that front section, separating 3 parts. And I'm doing just a normal, regular French braid, not like a Dutch braid going under. So I'm wrapping and grabbing and pulling the hair and folding over. So I'm going to get through this as quick as I can. This part's boring, so we're going to skip through. There we go, moving so quick through this French braid. And then once it is completely done, I either like to just like curl the bottom of my hair like in my finger and I can leave it there, or I will put an elastic at the end. Once you are done with that, hopefully you have a little bit something that looked like this. Now you could either just be Pippi Longstocking for Halloween, or let's continue on, and that's what we're gonna do. So here's my Mixed Chick Slick Styling Tamer. This is really great for those edges, and I do this because this helps. I can't just like pull hair out, like some people will literally pull a little bit of hair out, but mine starts to curl. So I have to like lay down the edges. So if like the wig moves and you see underneath there, it just likes a little bit of hair, and it's really nice because the wig I'm using today, the color matches and it works out perfect. Grabbing some bobby pins now. We're going to bobby pin the braid up. So I like to fold it upwards towards the inside of my head, pin it once down, pin the tail, and then pin at the base, and repeat on the second side. And voila, all done. Now we're going to move on to the wig cap. So this one, I don't know what brand it is. I threw away the packaging, but I did get this from one of my wigs like years ago. But I do start from the bottom, scoop it up to the front of my hairline at my forehead, adjust as needed. And then I'm just going to kind of like pull up on that, fold it down. You don't even have to like bobby pin that down or anything, and hide my neck curls. Now the fun part. So I like to flip the inside towards me and the bangs down. So the bangs are down, the back of the neck is up. And I go from the front to the back. I know some people go from the back to the front, but I find like I don't like it that way. So I do it this way. And then once it's in place, as you can see here, it kind of sticks out and there's the hair. Oh, and also if your bangs are too long, give them a snip. But I'm not going to for this one. I like how long these bangs are. Now I like to bobby pin in the back there and the top. So I'm going to pick up a bobby pin and I shift the hair as needed and I bobby pin it twice on the right side and left side bottom to really keep the wig and everything pinned down really good so I get up into the braid. Then I'm going to repeat that on the top of my head as well on the right and left side. I separate my hair as best I can, put the bobby pin in, and then hide it. And then voila, all done. And you are ready for dress up time. All right, everyone, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And all my curl friends and all my makeup lovers, I hope you guys keep coming back every Monday and join me for a new video. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and take care. Bye. Getting my hair prepped to wear, this is going to be a how-to video. Whoa. Ah! There we go. All right. Awesome. Oh, God. You're... What the... It's recording, yes! I mean, I can run my fingers through my hair. This is so strange.